Hey everyone. So in this video, I'll show you how to recover a Gmail account without a phone number. This is the full guide for 2026. And yeah, this works even if you no longer have access to your old number. First, open your browser and go to Google's account recovery page. Enter the Gmail address you want to recover and continue. When Google asks for verification using a phone number, choose the option that says Try Another Way. This lets you use alternative recovery methods. If you added a recovery email before, Google may send a verification code there. Open that email, copy the code, and enter it on the screen. Google might ask for your last remembered password. If you know it, enter it. Even an old password can help confirm ownership. If no email is available, Google may ask additional questions. Things like when you created the account or devices you've used before. Yeah, just answer honestly. After submitting your answers, Google will review your request. This can take a few hours or sometimes a couple of days. If Google confirms your identity, you'll receive a link to reset your password. Create a new, strong password to regain full access. After recovery, add a new phone number and recovery email right away. This makes future recoveries much easier. And yeah, that's how to recover a Gmail account without a phone number in 2026. If this video helped you, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next guide.